Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 2, and our today's topic is word, and sound. My dear students, our today's topic is word, and sound from 1 to 10. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 10 and SW number 9. Lecture number 10 is SW number 9. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn 10 word and sound. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 10 one word answer, question and answer. So my dear students, let's start. Question number 1. Who helps us in difficulties? What will be the answer, my dear students? Yes, answer will be Almighty Allah, because you know that in our difficulties Almighty Allah helps us. In this regard, our answer will be Almighty Allah. Now, question number 2. One who believes that there is no Ma'bud but Allah is called a Muslim. One who believes that there is no Ma'bud but Allah is called a Muslim. My dear students, a Muslim gives Shahada by saying Kalima Tayyiba la ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Okay, my dear students, and he also gives Shahada by saying Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. So my dear students, number 2 answer will be a Muslim. Now question number 3. Who has full knowledge of everything? Who has full knowledge of everything? What will be the answer, my dear students? Yes, answer will be Almighty Allah. Almighty Allah, because you know that Allah has full of knowledge everything. In this regard, answer will be Almighty Allah. Now question number 4. How many verses are there in Surah Lahab? How many verses are there in Surah Lahab? Answer will be 5. Answer will be 5, because you know that there are 5 verses in Surah Lahab. And my dear students, you know that the Surah Lahab is Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tabbat yada abi lahabi wa tab. This surah is called Surah Lahab. Okay, my dear students, now question number 5. How many pillars of Islam are there? What will be the answer? Answer, my dear students, yes, answer will be 5. Because you know that there are 5 pillars of Islam. In this regard, answer will be 5. What are these 5 pillars, my dear students? Yes, Iman, Salat, Namaz, Zakat, Iman, Salat, then Zakat, Saum and Hajj. Okay, my dear students, these 5, how many pillars of Islam are there? 5. So answer will be 5. Okay, now question number 6, my dear students. How many farjes are there in Urdu? How many farjes are there in Urdu? Yes, answer will be 4. You know that there are 4 farjes in Urdu. In this regard, answer will be 4. Okay, my dear students, now question number 7. Which salat do we have to perform in the early morning before sunrise? Which salat do we have to perform in the early morning before sunrise? What will be the answer, my dear students? Yes, before sunrise we have to perform Salatul Fajr. In this regard, our answer will be Salatul Fajr. My dear students. My dear students, you know that we have to perform Salatul Fajr in the early morning before sunrise. In this regard, answer will be Salatul Fajr. Now question number 8. In which month should we fast? In which month should we fast? Answer will be Ramadan. My dear students, we keep fast in the month of Ramadan 30 or 29. Okay, now question number 9. What should we do before performing salat? What should we do before performing salat? Performing wudu. Answer will be performing wudu. My dear students, if we would like to perform salat, then before performing salat we have to do at first wudu. Wudu. In this regard, answer will be performing wudu. Okay, my dear students, question number 10, and this is the last question. By which dua will we start our wudu? By which dua will we start our wudu? What will be the answer, my dear students? Yes, answer will be by Bismillah. My dear students, by saying Bismillah, we have to start our wudu. In this regard, our answer will be here by Bismillah. By Bismillah. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned 10 word answer. And my dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. And my dear students, you will read and write this 10 word answer at your home again and again. And my dear students, look at the board again. Today is our SW number 9, you know that. And you will make SW at your home one word answer from 1 to 5. From 1 to 5 in this pattern. Like this pattern, you will make you SW at your home like this pattern. SW number 9 from 1 to 5. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.